Hello my YouTube friends. In my past videos I showed you many of my art and craft projects. I showed you how I did this painting with wool. I created many projects with beads. Today I would like to concentrate on something like this. In this piece I used my mom's old jewelry, the rings from her old and broken necklace. And then I just added some ribbon embroidery and beads. Today I will be doing something with these pieces of broken jewelry. Some of them are very old and all of them are from my mom. Parts of a bracelet from 70s, another bracelet parts from also 70s. So I will be using all these pieces to create a piece of art in the frame. I also have another group of old and broken jewelry. The most precious piece is this pendant. My mother-in-law bought this pendant in Egypt in late 60s. And this necklace is from 70s from my mom. Some other pieces from my mom and my mother-in-law. And these earrings are mine and they are almost 20 years old. So I will be using this group to create another design, also using a picture frame. First I disassembled my frame and cut out a piece of felt to do my design on. I like to work with felt, but you can use other fabric like velvet, satin or anything. Next I will arrange my pieces the way I like it, and then I will start sewing on these pieces. As I proceed I might add some other pieces or maybe rearrange them a little bit, but this will be clear when I start the process. All my pieces are sewn on. The most challenging was this brooch because it has missing elements and I needed to attach each small section. Now I will work with the frame. Next I glued the felt to the back of the frame to secure the fabric. My design is ready. I will show it when I am done with the second project. Both my projects are ready and I already put them in frames. Now these pieces of old jewelry can be put on display instead of being hidden in some jewelry boxes. As you notice, I did not have two exact pieces, but it does not matter. The design should not be symmetrical. In this design, when I close up, it's visible that some details from the garnet brooch are missing, but that's fine too. I think that this is a good way to preserve your family history and maybe give those pictures as presents for some holidays to the younger generation of your families. So you preserve it and remember your family members. I hope that you like my small projects, and maybe you will do something similar.